Welcome to Copilot Chronicles, AI and the Developer's Workflow, a Converge 360 AI-focused podcast written by the editors of Converge 360 and narrated by my AI-cloned voice. I'm David Ramel, editor of Visual Studio Magazine, and today we're diving into the latest developments in AI-powered development tools and platforms as reported at my site. First off, Visual Studio Code's latest release brings some exciting updates to GitHub Copilot's experimental agent mode. The February update polishes features like next edit suggestions and introduces new capabilities in the terminal, making the AI assistant even more autonomous in helping developers write and modify code. In the Visual Studio world, developers now have access to more advanced AI models, including Claude 3.7 Sonnet, but there's a catch. You'll need a paid GitHub Copilot subscription to unlock these premium features. The good news is that even the free tier offers impressive options like Claude 3.5 Sonnet and OpenAI's GPT-4o models. Also, Microsoft's Semantic Kernel agent framework has hit a significant milestone, reaching Release Candidate 1 status. This framework now supports multiple AI providers, including Azure AI Agent Service, OpenAI Assistants, and AWS Bedrock, making it easier than ever to build and deploy AI-driven agents for enterprise applications. And speaking of enterprise AI, Azure AI Foundry is emerging as a crucial platform for developers looking to build generative AI applications. The platform, formerly known as Azure AI Studio, offers everything from model development to deployment infrastructure, all while maintaining enterprise-grade security and responsible AI practices. That's all for today's Copilot Chronicles. I'm David Ramel, and I'll catch you next time with more updates from the world of AI-powered development. Thanks for listening.